Now let me write the code for finding the sum of all the Armstrong numbers between lower bound and upper bound. Let me copy paste this piece of code. Okay, now this one will generate all the Armstrong numbers. Instead of displaying all the Armstrong numbers, if you want to find the sum, what are the changes to be made? You know, three changes are there. Change 1, print statement should be replaced with the answer variable equals. So let me write it here. Answer variable equals answer variable plus general term. Here the general term is A. Okay, so A. So this print statement should be replaced with the answer variable equals answer variable plus A. So let me remove the print statement. Initially, answer variable should be given the value 0 and you should display the answer. So here you can write print sum of Armstrong numbers. Sum of Armstrong numbers equals, maybe you can continue this in the next line, so use backward slash and continue it in the next line. So here you can put a comma and the sum is there in answer variable. Okay, so sum of Armstrong numbers equal, you can continue in the next line, it is answer. Now save your file and run the program. Control S, saved, run the program. So option number 1, read the lower bound 150, read the upper bound 200. First let me generate all the Armstrong numbers between 150 and 200. 2. Only one Armstrong number is there, 153, and let me find the sum. So there is a mistake, isn't it? Let me correct it. Yeah. Now the print statement should be outside for loop. Okay, only after calculating the sum you should display it. Now here the print statement is part of this for loop, so you will not get the required answer, so it should be outside for loop. Indentation is very important. You can see I did not get the correct answer. Okay, so just indent it like this. So now the print statement is indented with for loop, which means it is outside the for loop, so only after calculating the answer will be displayed. Run the program again. 1, 150, maybe 500. Option number 2. So these are the Armstrong numbers between 150 and 500. Now let me find the sum. So sum equals 1301. I think it is correct. 400, 700, 1000, 1100. Yeah, almost correct. 1301. Okay, so like that you can find the sum of Armstrong numbers. Okay, you can press enter key so that you will exit from the program. Now you need to find the product of Armstrong numbers between lower bound and upper bound. You can copy paste this piece of code. And here the changes are: answer variable should be given the initial value 1, and instead of plus it is star, and here instead of sum of Armstrong numbers you can write product of Armstrong numbers. So product will be a very big number, 1, 150, maybe 300, 2. Only one Armstrong number is there between 150 and 300. Let me find the sum. It is 153. The product is also 153. Yeah. Now let me go for a different lower bound and upper bound. Maybe lower bound is 150 this time, upper bound is 500. So 2. These are the Armstrong numbers between 150 and 500. Now 3. The sum is same as before, 1301. Now let me find the product. The product is a very big number, okay, because when you multiply you get a very big number. Now 99 you get wrong choice, and 5 you can exit from the program. So this is how you write the menu driven program to process Armstrong numbers.